Hey folks, Mr. McStache. If you look behind me, you can tell I'm in a graveyard. Why am I in a graveyard, you ask? Well, you know, when you have a YouTube channel, people ask you questions and you try and give them answers. Well, we had somebody ask me a question. They wanted to know about ghost hunting. So today we're going to take you on a trip and we're going to try and teach you how to do some ghost hunting. Stay tuned.
Oh, you didn't know? Like, take off, you hosers. We don't have any of that. So that's why we're coming.
So, okay, folks, step one is get you a ghost app. The one I use is, I'm hoping you can see it right there, little blue hand called the Ghost Hunter. We click on that. It is a free app. It loads up. And you can see up top there, the green lines is an EMP. Here in the middle of the blue is an EVP. And there's a sound recorder down at the bottom. I'm hoping you can all see that real well. But that's what I do. Hopefully I'll put a picture up here of the app we're using. Now, you may or may not recognize some of the people out here in the graveyard with us today. That person right there is the one and only Nona Grace. And of course next to her is Mrs. McStache and Jim. Yes it is. No, it's a maple. I have to look, but Nona had expressed some interest in ghost hunting, and we was going to be in their area, so we decided to take them ghost hunting. Now, when you're using the app, it peaks and levels off, and the trick with the app is to ask the ghost yes and no questions. Say, you know, are you a male? If you were a male when you were alive, peak my meter. And then your meter goes beep, 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 and peaks up, and then you know that's a yes. Or if it doesn't peak up, then maybe that'd be a no. So that is the basics on the ghost hunting use of the app. The app is free. It has ads, so every once in a while it will kick back in. But and it also has an EMP on it. EVP. EVP, and so it throws up words. So the funnest part about this is watching the believers. I'm going to say that. Watching Mrs. McStache figure out what the words are that pop up. I'm not making fun of her, really, I'm not. I just think it's fun. Because the words come up random. The thought is that ghosts can manipulate electromagnetic fields and conduct an electromagnetic field. So you can ask questions and walk around, and there are a certain number of words loaded into the queue that they can generate, and it's fun to walk around and see. Personally, we love the old graves.
Brutal, but no, had brutal. I wonder if they died a brutal death. I don't know.
Oh, mercy.
And it's ticking. It was when I was talking about this one. Mine says oak. I was trying to look and see if I found oak. It's ticking.
It's a microphone.
Oh.
I want to make sure they heard what you were saying.
It's ticking.
Yeah, the more it reads, the higher to go. You'll see eventually it'll just like beep like mad, and it'll be in the red.
Oh wow!
And that's when you know somebody's, or when you assume somebody's right there talking to you.
Red yet. Are you trying to talk to me?
Tell me if you're trying to speak to me, if you peak the meter, it'd be a yes, and if you don't peak the meter, it'd be a no. So if you're trying to speak with us, please peak the meter.
If you're trying to speak to us, peak the meter.
Now, I'll go away because the wife says I'm bad luck. Every time I come around, the stuff goes away.
It
So
goes down.
yeah, see, because it's down to nothing now. So she says it's me, so I'll go away and let you do your thing.
Okay. Are you trying to speak to me?
And see, I don't know if you can hear it or not, but now it's starting to beep again. So I don't know if it's because I don't believe, or if it's ghosts don't like me, or what it is. But me and the wife and the grandbaby have been several places where they'll be getting good readings, and I walk up and everything stops. Yeah, so of course that's my fault. Which I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that.
Well, you're just a well-grounded person, that's all.
That's-
You're just grounding everything out.
This is Jim. Nona never shows him, but he's a very smart individual.
Well,
I like the way he thinks. He says it's because I'm a well-grounded individual. That's what,
Yep.
yeah. In case you didn't know, anytime you see the stars, shields, stuff along that with the flag on them, that is a veteran. And GAR is the Great American Revolution. So there you go, folks, from some cemetery in the middle of New York, Western New York. There's you a quick little tutorial on how to ghost hunt. Ghosts are active 24/7, not just at night. So feel free to download you. There's 5 or 6 different ghost apps I have used, ghost hunting apps. There's some that will look for bodies, shapes of bodies. There's some that will record for you. You can get cat balls and all. I mean, you can really get into this and really enjoy this. It's a lot of fun, very entertaining. But so there you go with Nona Grace here in the cemetery in Western New York. We want to say, remember, folks, check out our Patreon for as little as $1 a month. You can help out the local veterans of our area. Love on your family, check on your buddy, and when you get back out there, folks, keep it rubber side down. We'll see you in the next one.